Administrators with the Allegheny County Health Department have put out a public advisory about the whooping cough. They say that the number of cases in the county have exploded. Doctors say many people don't realize they have the whooping cough disease at first. However, symptoms become more severe and alarming as it lingers.
You can have a really, really severe cough. Some people have the classic symptom that gave it its name, where you get sort of a whooping sound when you breathe in. Sometimes people cough so heavily that they start vomiting, or that they even stop breathing.
The coughing could be quite severe too, in the cases where you could actually break a rib from coughing so much. But the ones that we get really concerned about are the babies, because in the babies, especially under the age of 6 months, it can be quite deadly to these kids and causing them to have respiratory failure.
County health administrators say whooping cough cases were in the single digits each year between 2021 and 2023. But this year, there are 87 cases. Doctors say many times babies receive the vaccine early, but as people get older, that vaccine wears off. So doctors recommend that teenagers and adults receive a tetanus shot because it also contains the whooping cough vaccine.
Any concern that a parent has, particularly for children who have the highest rates of whooping cough, they should make sure that they see a healthcare provider so that they can get tested and get treated.
It's really important that whenever you get your tetanus shots every 10 years, that tetanus shot contains the pertussis component as well.